today. It's a busy day for me, so I am bringing you with me. It's a day in a life here in the US. Hi guys, good morning. It's a new vlog and I literally just woke up, and I thought that I will bring you with me today. It's a busy day for me today, so I'm bringing you with me, a day in my life here in the US. So here we go. I start my day with God's time, with reading the Bible, doing some reflections, and being grateful, and even at times when I'm running out of time, just kneeling and surrender this day for Him. Then at 7:30 I attend the Zoom Mass from our church, St. Philip, here in Norwalk. After Mass, around 8 o'clock, I did my exercise for about an hour, and I follow Heather Robertson on YouTube. She is really good. She's a trainer, and her exercise regimen is just right for me. Not too easy, not too hard, and a lot of variety. And she really did a great job on me. I now have a better body, I have to say. I can see some abs now. Seriously, you need to check her out. She's really good. After exercise, I go and put on Spotify and listen to my praise worship songs, and then I'll go downstairs to the kitchen and put on my water kettle. This water kettle here is really great. I'm going to put a link for my tea and for my water the whole day. I drink only warm water. I don't drink cold water, and that's the only water I drink the whole day. This is really a great kettle right here. While waiting for the water to boil, I check on my indoor plants. You guys know how I love all kinds of plants, flowers, and trees. Indoor plants has a lot of health benefits for us. It improves our mood, reducing fatigue, lowering stress and anxiety, boosting healing and pain tolerance, minimizing the occurrence of headaches, and improving air quality, and easing dry skin and respiratory ailments due to dry air. A positive effect of this increased oxygenation can really do wonders to us. Truly, not only they are beautiful, they also help us feel better and can work better if you're in an office or even at your home. Just makes you feel good to see these beauties. Drinking warm water throughout the day helps the body to break down fat deposits, relax muscles, and increase blood flow. An increase in blood circulation can rejuvenate skin cells and keep them nourished. Also improves bowel movements, prevent constipation, and improve nasal congestion. While drinking tea, I check my social media accounts, my Facebook, my Instagram, and my YouTube. And this is the time that I will answer and respond to all my YouTube comments. I always respond to all the YouTube comments because I value your time and effort to write the comment and that feedback, so I make sure to answer that as well. And also trying to check on my vlog. This time I'm checking on my San Francisco food vlog, because that's the one I'm putting it out this day. So here we go, trying to do a last minute editing. I love it. Around 10 o'clock or 10:30 I have breakfast or brunch, and today I'm preparing this yummy plantain with a lot of toppings, and then I am making apple cider drinks since we have company later. Now it's shower time for me and getting ready before my visitors will come. We ordered some pizza for a change. This is our most favorite pizza, guys. You need to check this out from Jordan's, the salad pizza. OMG, it's so good. My friend Elsa just came and she is making her famous CARIOCA. It's made of glutenous rice. She's making it small balls, round pieces, and then she's frying them, and hot oil, and we'll fry them until it gets brownish. My mom and I are so lucky to have her as a friend because she is a great cook. She cooks a lot of stuff and she shares it with us. She continues to flip it to make sure that it doesn't get burned. Just right, like brownish color right here. And then she puts some sugar on top. And this is how it looks. Oh, it looks great now. Wow. Can't wait to eat this. I think I tried this one time before. This will be the first time that I will eat it right after it's cooked. It's always good to eat things that, right after it's cooked. It's because of its crunchiness and just the freshness of it all. So this is the finished product. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. I just tried a couple. It's really, really good. Oh my. Then we played a little mahjong with friends. We played a couple of hours until 6:30 because I have a Zoom meeting at 7. I have my Zoom meeting from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Well, after this Zoom meeting for our Paris Council, I'm done for the day and ready to do my evening routine. Have my prayers and readings and all of that, and I want to thank you for tagging along or for coming with me and a glimpse of my life here in the US. Hopefully you got to know me better. That's what I want on this channel of mine, that we can get to know each other more and share our lives together in this journey we call life. For now, good night, and thank you again for watching, and please be kind, be loving, and be inspired. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.
I was old, I was young, I was sitting in the sun, I was tired of the run, I was done.